Do you know the reason why conversations don't align? In a team, the reason why conversations don't align might be due to vague purpose awareness. Align on a common goal to strengthen team unity. Let's clarify why we are gathered and share it with the whole team. Solidarity will increase by using NLP to resolve discrepancies. When conversations don't align, NLP or Neuro-Linguistic Programming techniques are helpful. It resolves discrepancies based on brain mechanisms. With pacing, provide a sense of security to the other person's mind by matching their language and expressions. It can facilitate smooth conversations. Negative words can be positively reframed through reframing. By rephrasing negative words into positive ones, you can brighten the team's atmosphere. Focus on the goal and consciously adjust the trajectory. When the conversation is about to go off track, consciously adjust the trajectory to keep focusing on the goal. Managing an office with the goal of uniting the team towards victory using psychology is the engine of an election. Let's use these psychological techniques to unite as a team and aim for victory. This was Kuke Michiko. For more details, please see the description box.